Hello my friend, welcome. In this new lesson we will talk about route with parameter here. This route, like other forms of the route, is composed of the same parts, this, but there are two feathers that distinguish it from the rest of the route. This and this part. Let me open the code editor, VS Code, and also run the local server, then load our project on it. Local server, yes, start creating a local server, Apache, port 80. After that, we need to upload our project on the server. Yes, here in command line, we will write PHP artisan serve, PHP artisan serve, hit enter. Okay. Our project will load it on the local server, and now we must add a comment here. Route with the parameter. Yes, after that we will write the comment here, the route here, route, it a keyword, colon, then get or put on any word that determine or specify the task this route must do for us. And name of the route, for example, call, then function, anonymous function, colon, function, TION, after that parentheses and calibrate this. And you can see here semicolon, then return, for example, this, and semicolon. The two feathers here, after the name of the route, must be at this part. Slash name of the route, for example, name, then calibrate, and the second part is here. We must create a variable similar like the name of the parameters, for example, $name. Here we need to show that variable on the browser. For example, you are right, concatenated the variable here dot $name. You can see. After that, we will go back to the browser and call the route with parameter. We name it call, and add any name you need to send to the function, and based on the parameter we will tell the function retrieve the data based on the parameter we send it for it. Go to the browser. Let me go to browser, and here localhost 1000 port 8000 port, enter. You can see here our project is working fine. Then slash, then route name, call, then for example name gym, enter. You can see here you are right gym. This show us that in this episode we got to know the route with parameter, and we got to know how to deal with it. I think this is enough for this lesson or episode. Thank you for watching, and I wish you happy moment. See you later.